But Theresa May, for example, told the Prime Minister that if he signed this Northern Ireland protocol, we would end up in justice crisis. So you can't invoke the principle of necessity. You've plainly broken the law.
That's just not right, Robert. The Northern Irish economy is lagging behind the rest of the United Kingdom. Traders have simply stopped trading across the Irish Sea. The Belfast Good Friday Agreement is under threat. Political institutions have stopped functioning. These are essential interests of the United Kingdom. And we consider that in those instances where no other option exists, and we've tried lots of other options, then we do have a legal basis of necessity to depart from some of the international obligations contained in the treaty.
Imagine the shock for the hapless Attorney General, who, heaven help us all, is the principal legal advisor to the government, when she finds out to rely on the doctrine of necessity to break international law, the state must establish it hasn't contributed to the situation of necessity it's relying on. Not only has the government contributed to it, it's willfully created it. In July 2019, Johnson made this promise: under no circumstances will I allow the EU or anyone else to create any kind of division down the Irish Sea. 3 months later, he agreed to checks in the Irish Sea.
The net result of which is that there's pretty much a border in the Irish Sea.
Johnson knew exactly what damage his oven-ready deal would cause when he signed it, because his government's own impact assessment told him. But he shamelessly continued to tell the public this.
This document is talking about checks both ways.
And that's wrong, because there won't be checks.
A barefaced lie, and whipped his MPs to vote for his deal, telling Parliament this.
It is in full compatibility, Mr. Speaker, with the Good Friday Agreement.
The Prime Minister told us this.
This is, in my view, a great deal for the country. It's a great deal for the whole United Kingdom.
And now he says his deal is so terrible and represents such grave peril to the country, he needs to break international law to get out of it. And all the Attorney General has to say is this.
This is your Romaniac make-believe.
Johnson should be thrown in jail and the Attorney General with him.